The Way Pulse, a TCM pulse diagnosis masterclass understanding the faint indistinct minute pulse. The Way Pulse, almost gone. The Way Pulse, also known as the minute faint or indistinct pulse, signifies profound depletion in TCM. Its hallmark is an extremely thin, weak, and barely perceptible quality, signaling a critical state of deficiency. Defining the Wei pulse, the Wei Mai is characterized as extremely thin, very soft and forceless, and difficult to detect, often feeling as if it might disappear beneath the fingers. It is considered almost on the verge of extinction, being finer than even a fine shear pulse and profoundly associated with deficiency. Recognizing the Wei pulse with extremely thin, strength, extremely weak, depth, usually deep, maybe superficial in severe deficiency, force, almost absent, sensations, feels feels as if it might disappear. Underlying causes of Wei pulse. Severe Qi deficiency. Qi is too weak to propel blood throughout the vessels. Severe blood deficiency. The vessels are inadequately filled with blood. Severe yin or essence deficiency. Yin fluids or essence are profoundly depleted. Yang qi collapse, a barely detectable pulse, can accompany profound depletion and collapse. Clinical patterns associated with Wei. Severe qi deficiency. Fatigue, weak voice, shortness of breath, spontaneous sweating, poor appetite. Severe blood deficiency, pale complexion, dizziness, blurred visions, palpitations, numbness, scanty menstruation. Severe yin deficiency, night sweat, dry mouth, five-center heat, emaciation, red tongue with little or no coating. Yang or chi collapse, profuse sweating, cold limbs, weak respiration, shock or massive blood loss. Chronic illness and advanced exhaustion are emphasized in the source of material. Primarily depletion patterns, Qi deficiency, profound depletion pattern, blood deficiency, profound depletion pattern, yin deficiency, profound depletion pattern, yang deficiency, profound depletion pattern, collapse of Qi, profound depletion patterns, collapse of yang, profound depletion pattern. Additional depletion scenarios: severe chronic illness, profound depletion pattern, advanced exhaustion, profound depletion pattern, massive hemorrhage, profound depletion pattern. Refining diagnosis, Whey pulse combinations. Whey plus rapid, yin deficiency with empty hit. Whey plus slow, severe chi and blood deficiency with internal cold. Whey plus choppy, exhaustion of blood. Whey plus saggy, chi and blood deficiency with some dampness. Whey plus deep, yin deficiency. Whey plus wiry, liver young rising on a background of severe blood deficiency. Differentiating whey from similar pulses. Whey, minute extremely thin plus extremely weak. Profound deficiency, hardest to feel. G. Fine, thready, thin but distinct, easier to feel, usually stronger. Ruo. Weak, deep, soft, weak, more substantial, mainly deep. Sure. Empty, large, soft, hollow, not thin, may disappear with pressure. Sun. Scattered, irregular, diffuse, feel scattered rather than simply tiny or weak. Positional significance of wave pulse. Front, Kun, breathlessness or palpitations. Middle, Guan, abdominal distension and fullness. Stomach, spleen deficiency. Rear, Qi, blood deficiency. Essence exhaustion. diabetes, abdominal pain, clinical pearl, position plus accompanying pulse quality plus symptoms equal pattern weaving. Severe Qi deficiency, extreme fatigue, weak voice, pale tongue, whey pulse, spleen and lung Qi deficiency. Case 2. Chronic blood loss, pale lips, dizziness, palpitations, pale tongue, whey pulse, liver and heart blood deficiency. Case 3. Yin exhaustion, night sweats, dry mouth, red tongue without coating, whey pulse, severe kidney, and liver yin deficiency. Case 4. Young collapse critical, cold extremities, profuse cold sweating, barely detectable pulse, weak breathing, collapse of young requires urgent medical attention. Prognostic implications of whey pulse. Chronic illness may indicate profound depletion of Qi, blood, yin, essence, or yang, and a poor prognosis. Acute setting, when paired with cold, clammy skin, altered consciousness, shock, or weak breathing, it may signal a critical state. Always interpret the pulse within the complete clinical picture. The whey pulse, almost gone. The whey pulse fundamentally indicates almost gone, the smallest and weakest deficiency pulse. Its extreme thinness, weakness, vagueness, and near imperceptibility invariably point toward profound depletion of qi, blood, yin, essence, or yang. Mastering whey pulse diagnosis. 1. How thin is it? Extremely thin. 2. How strong is it? Extremely weak or almost absent. 3. Can I clearly detect it? Barely. It may disappear. 4. What is depleted? Chi, blood, yin, essence, or yang. 5. What else is happening? What else is happening? Use symptoms. 5. What else is happening? Use symptoms, tongue, position, and combination to weave the pattern. Foundations and best practices. Terminology, significance, combination, differentiation, cases, and prognosis are drawn from the supplied reference. Use pulse findings as one component of comprehensive PCM diagnosis. For red flag signs, ensure appropriate biomedical assessment.